Hi guys, welcome to Placements Ready. In this video, we will be solving the problem Repeated Substring Pattern, which is LeetCode's problem of the day. So अभी से रेगुलर LeetCode GFG के प्रॉब्लम्स आते रहेंगे इस चैनल पे, तो अगर नए हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना so that you never miss an update. So let's start the problem discussion. So you can see on my screen, given a string as check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending multiple copies of the substring together. So for example, if you see the input which is ABAB, if we take the substring AB and concatenate it to itself, we will be getting true in this case, right? Because we are able to form the string. Similarly, if we take the substring as ABA or any substring of this, we will not be able to form the string S. Now in this example, if we take the substring ABC, we will be able to form S, right? So let's discuss the approach for this problem. I will be discussing three approach to this. So watch each of the approaches carefully, and the third approach is going to be tricky. Okay, and that is going to be the most optimal approach. So let's start the discussion. So see, we are having a string ABAB, right? If we form all the substrings of this, so substring starting with A will be ABAB, right? ABA, AB, and A, right? Now substring starting with B will be B, BA, BAB. Again the substring starting with this A is going to be A and AB. As substring starting with this B is going to be B. So if you want to know how we generate all the substrings, there is a video on my channel. You can watch it out. I will also provide the link to that in the description. Now we have all the substrings in place. We can check whether we are able to form this string or not. Okay. So that is going to be the first approach. So generating all the substrings will be taking order of n cube time. Again, if you are checking by concatenating all those things, so that will be uh, order of n. Okay, if you exactly talk about the time complexity, it will be the string length by length of the substring. Okay, so this is going to be this. So this approach will be giving us time limit exceeded. So let's say if you want to optimize this approach, what we can do, let's say our string is ABAB, right? So we will be maintaining a map. So map will be storing the character and the index. So basically the first occurrence of that character. So A is occurring at 0th index. When we go to B, B is not occurring, so we will store it. Again we find the A, right? So what we will do, we will generate a substring AB in this case and try to find whether it is possible to find the substring or not. So in this case it is possible, but see again the problem with this approach is that here you will be storing all the characters in the map. Okay, so that is going to be order of n time. Again you will be checking whether it is possible to find the substring or not. So generating that substring will be taking again order of n time, right? And now you will be appending that, so again this much time. So approximately it will be order of n square, so it is also not going to be accepted. Okay, now the third approach is very tricky. What we will be doing in this case is that uh, we will simply concatenate this string again to itself. So we will be getting ABAB. Now we will be deleting this, we will be deleting this, we will be getting BAB, ABA, right? Now try to find whether this string is present in this or not. Yes, it is present, so we will be returning a true in this case, right? Let's see for other example if it is working fine or not. So again append it. Now delete the first and last character, check if it is present. No, it is not present, we will be returning a false. So this approach is going to work, right? So always try to think of these kind of approaches in substring questions, or the questions which is repeated substring pattern or contiguous substring pattern. This approach generally works. Okay, or you want to find a string in another string. Okay, so you can simply use this kind of approaches. Okay, So let's discuss the implementation in detail. So the first step is to take a string, basically, which is the concatenation of s plus s. Okay. Now what we will do, we will delete the last character. Now in order to remove the first character, we can simply use this function, which is temp.substr of 1. So what we will do here, basically it will take all the string apart from the 0th character, and we can simply uh, check whether s is present in this or not. For that, you can use the inbuilt function, which is temp.findS is not equal to string and pose. So this is going to be the inbuilt function. You can also uh, write the basic function for this, but I think this is a STL function. You can use that. So let's submit this. As you can see, this is accepted, and I hope you have got the solution. अगर कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख देना. If you have liked this video, अगर सब कुछ अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channels, क्योंकि अभी से regular updates and regular videos आती रहेंगी इस channel पे. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.